Hello my people, this is your boy Ovi, and I just want to do a little webcam tutorial on how to get the settings all optimized. Because like right now I got some RGB in the background and it's constantly changing colors, so the white balance on my camera is constantly adjusting, and you don't want any of that to be adjusting on the fly all the time because it just looks weird. So let's go into our OBS. And you just want to go to your main cameras. So like mine would be C922. Click on that. Put that over here. And we're going to want to click configure video. And what we want to do is take off everything that has auto on it. So white balance has auto. Focus is auto. Exposure has auto, and exposure I think is the most important part that you gotta turn off, and low light compensation as well. So you want to click apply, click OK, and everything looks better now. But the thing is, you still get this like trailing effect, right? Because the FPS isn't matching up. So you want to actually deactivate it, then reactivate. So as you can see, everything's all dark on my webcam right now. It's just because when we deactivated it, the game went back to 0, so we're gonna put it back to its default of 128, which I feel like is a pretty good balance if you have good lighting. So click apply on that. Make sure go to camera control. Make sure everything's the same. Click OK, and yeah, that should be it. So it looks a lot different now, but the overall picture isn't washed out. As you can see, my skin color isn't like changing that much, and when I move my hand around, it's a lot smoother compared to that trailing effect I had before. So yeah, that was just a quick tutorial I want to show you guys. That's what I have to do before every single stream, which is kind of annoying, but there's just something about the software with the Logitech cameras that don't save in OBS. Hopefully there's an update for it in the future. But yeah, hey, if you guys like the video, want more tutorials like this, let me know. Just hit me with a like, a sub, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.